I didn't realize what time it was. All right, welcome back, everybody. Okay, we touched the sky, and then we fell. Kid Icarus flew a little too close to the sun. How do you guys like the new chart layout? Okay, it goes right to left. 10 range, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Okay, let's take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and kill these lights here. Those are bright. Here we go. Look, Elijah, look at the lights now. We're missing the 15 minute. Let me go no cam here. Okay. Yeah, the 15 minute is behind that. So if you want to make it smaller, Elijah. All right, we're in neutral zone here. Pull back to the VWAP. Back to the VWAP. Back to the VWAP. I took profit at 43. Don't kill me. It dumped even further. Now we're in noise, right? If you look at Joey's chart on the bottom here, we're in noise. Big deal at 38.50. Big deal at 29.50 on the 15 minute. Oh, I can just make it smaller. Okay. Oops.
Pink bar,
Cool.
10 range chart.
Oh, look at this price action. Hello. At 9:09 and 33 seconds. Hello. Look at it turn right back down. Playing with fire, player. Oh yeah, you can look in there. We can also open Tradeovate, but the problem with Tradeovate is it doesn't show you the drawdown, the trailing drawdown. Massive 15-minute sword forming on your 38.50s. Yes. What do we do? Yes. I don't know. We're going to find out. We have so much noise right here. So much noise. Prior noise. Current noise. Aren't you glad you didn't get baited into this trade? Imagine being long at like 47. Ugh. Okay, taking a look at the bigger picture. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's not much to say besides it's just a matter of time before all-time highs again and again and again. Oh, Lord. Listen, here. Man, I really believe. Now, I think they need more inventory. I think it took them all of their might to get it here, and they had to ring the bell a little bit, right? If that makes sense. So on the 4-hour chart, Charlie, yuck, right? But we have reclaimed greater than 50% of the down move on the 4-hour. External liquidity holds. So far, all we have is chop between 7085 and 7185. That's it. That's what we have. Chop. $15 to the opening bell. We're right in the middle of this range, folks. What flip the coin. Right. I'm stuck on this chart here still. Right. 7224 is the target. But this 2-hour chart is kind of telling me like, hey, whoa, just chill. Look at it. Like, I hate to say this, but twin towers, right? Welcome to the VWAP, everybody. Welcome to the entanglement. Welcome to Noise Central. And good morning to you. Oh, look at how they can't get through this. What's up with this? Diddle in the middle, your account getting little. Morning. Yeah, go ahead, Elijah. Go ahead. I'm chilling. I'm just formatting the screen. I want everyone to be able to see fluidly, and we'll find a place for the little advertisement. SageFT.com. It's your favorite place here. Look at this thing going crazy. Look at it, guys. You need to stay out of it because how are you to predict this, right? Look at these 10, 11 point spikes in an instant just whoop.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart.
20 point stops on the 2. Huh. Yeah, that's going to be a no. I'm sorry, 20.5 point stops on the 2. Thank you. No, thank you. No. Please make sure it is on panel 4, please, sir. You don't have to mess with that. If you hit reset high watermark, it catches it, Elijah, from what I've messed with. Panel at the bottom. Oh, you got to fix the panel. Panel. The mouse disappears. Hold on, guys. We're fixing something. We're trying to figure out how my we got to figure something out here. Give it a second. Here, Elisha, I'm gonna fix it real quick. Right here. Boom. 4. Okay. So, no, what does it say? Okay, it says 750. It's okay. So is that the number? Okay, cool. No problem at all. The max DD in the bottom one is not correct, everybody. Just so you know, not correct. And that is one thing we're fixing, you know, a little indicator here. Okay, your 2-minute is now saying clearance. Clarence. I got the clearance to run the interference. 5-minute is Charlie Foxtrot. 15-minute bounces off of 3850 and says, hello. Hello. Did I just miss it? Or am I jumping ahead of myself? I got the Luke and Yoda package at 48.25. I 53.50 would be your target. I think buying it like 45 or 43 is better, personally. I could be completely wrong and this thing could go upwards. It just looks stuck. And I could be completely wrong and it rips. Okay, okay. We are still the narrowest range. So we just hit Upper Keltner twice, but okay, here's going to be my final conclusion, and I'm going to stay out of it right there. Boom, in the circle. You see it? That's not right. I'm going to stay out of this. I win or lose. I'm not playing with it until VWAP goes above 200. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Am I going to regret this, not buying 48.25 now? I can't regret something I haven't done. Diddle in the middle, your account getting little. All right, here we go. We're open for business. Every chart is in buy mode and they're just selling it back. Look at that. You're 15, you're 5, you're 2, you're 1. You're 1 actually paid out 5 points. But I don't see this. This is crazy, crazy tape.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
That's too choppy. Okay, yellow worked, but it's just so choppy, right? Man, that 10 range yellow was gas. Just right in the middle of the chop, though.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
See, now I have the corresponding chart right below it. Right? On top of each other, I should say.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh, one tick, one tick, one tick. No. One tick. No. Delta is rising. They like 46 until they don't. One ticked me.
Yellow bar, 1-minute chart.
$48. Okay, here we go. Push. Got to get through the 46s on your 2 minute. Got to stay above the 46s on the 5 minute.
Yellow bar, 5-minute chart.
Yeah, you guys see that? There's a graduated balances thing now. Apex is taking people live. Come on, push. Push. There's going to be some leg sweeping at 51s. So let's see if it leg sweeps me right into my profit. Okay, break even +1 on that. We're going for this all the way. Go. Go.
Target
Got
filled.
it. Got it. I should have held the ad a little bit longer, but I wanted to get a better average price. You have a perfect leg sweep on your 2 minute long. That's why I didn't take the 1 minute short. Look at how it caught the 1 minute shorts. They got absolutely annihilated right there.
Blue bar, 1-minute chart.
Oh yeah, a little bit late there. I mean, you can hold, but it's a little bit late in the session, in the range. Excellent leg sweep. Excellent leg sweep, everybody. Perfect. 54 if you have Moxie. Notice all the noise holds us, okay? On the 5 minute and the 2 minute. Notice your 15 minute 38.50 holds. Okay, this is not my money. We are still the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days. I'm on the sidelines. Elijah, hold on. I'm going to hit FOMO, man. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Okay, folks, I got to touch grass. That was a great trade. That was beautiful. We're above VWAP, right? We got from the middle of the range, right? Not. It was hard to explain, but everything was correct in that. Okay. Could I have gotten a better original entry? Sí, señor and señoras and señoritas. Okay, let it play. Let it play. Let it dance, right? It's going to run all the weak money out, and then we're going to get to play. Okay? Let's wait. Oh, it was the next one, Elijah. It was the next tab. Go. Okay, so go look. EODPA trading rules. You see it? Okay, now I don't believe that. Look, I'm not trading this 43.50 here. I'm sorry. Look, it's in the wrong spot. You know how many times I've been caught right there like a little turd? At VWAP. That is the first flush on the delta. There is too much ambiguity, ladies and gentlemen. I'm on the sidelines. Oh, I can make it smaller. Okay. There we go. I was wondering why that changed. Hey, good morning, everyone. Hurry up and wait. We are at a hurry up and wait situation, everybody. Yeah, it's a matter of can you sit here and not trade as opposed to sit here and try to find executions. I'm small green. You guys can see how much money I've made. $265.70 after commissions. That's it. That's it. Now, am I mad about $266? No, that is my former wage for the day. 233 was actually what I used to try to make every day.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Diddle in the middle of your account getting little. Let me see if it even fires an order, Elijah.
Order
Yeah,
submitted.
no. Yeah, hold on. Elijah, it doesn't even let me do orders in that account because it's not right. Yeah. That's what I thought. So we could just take it off of there. I'll remove it. But still, I guess still reply. I email him and say, nowhere does it say what the actual drawdown. Where is your drawdown on the dashboard, though? Definitely should do that. Elijah, I'm gonna hit the FOMO walk button real quick. I'll be right back, folks. This is tempting me. The siren song is tempting me to touch the mouse. I cannot do so. I almost contemplated that
Blue
pink
bar, 1 minute chart.
and would have gotten smoked instantly. We're holding the noise levels on the deuce and the 5.
Blue bar, 2 minute chart.
Diddle in the middle, your account getting little. 5 minutes 60. The sideways action today is so ask yourself, is this the pop of the sideways action or is this just a draw? $71.77. Look at it drop right out of that 57 level. That meridian there on that breaker block, folks. Look at that thing. Hold again, man. I wanted to short into it, but I have no justification of it. So there, it wasn't spoke of, right? My thought was the meridian, but where would I put my stop, right? Right where I'd stop it, right?
Pink bar, 1-minute chart.
$53.75 overrun on the 5-minute. And then we are in the FVG on the 15-minute. And so that's what's holding us up right here. 56 to 58. Here's a question you can ponder. What's your edge?
Pink bar, 5-minute chart.
Order submitted.
I missed
Order
it. I
canceled.
missed it completely. Damn it, man. I completely missed it. See, it created the stop around 53s, right? But you had to find a great entry and 55 half. Yeah, always.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Target filled.
And I took 2R on that one because the momentum was fresh. Everybody, I took 2R on that one because the momentum was fresh on the 2 minute. That was clean. That was, listen. That's what you wait for, right? Because look at the stop on your 1 minute. Okay, here's why I did this. Look at the stop. Look at the stop on your 1 minute. Okay. Look at the entries on your 2 minute. Everybody take a look at it. Even if you're in the trade, if you're reading tape, you can go back and look at it. Okay, but look at what I'm looking at. Okay. And the target on the 5 minute was just 60, 61, right there to it, right, or you can see it right here on the bottom 5 minute chart. I can't hide it. And on your 5 minute, you have a 62.75 1R. So I'm on my, yeah. So on my 2 minute, I'm going 2R. It was beautiful. It was a thing of beauty, folks. That's going to be enough for that account for the day. Upper Keltner, everybody. Upper Keltner, lock in, lock in, lock in. Okay, now look at this. So price, okay, it's the middle chart. Here's my cursor. Price, VWAP, 200. That's on the 2 minute, okay? With now watch. Look at my cursor. Look at right here. What does it do? Paint turns it up. Paint turns it up. So the only thing we can do is look for a long. But I want to mitigate the risk. Okay. All right, we're chilling. That's upper Kellner. This is not my money, folks. Let's go. Who is that posting? Let's go, Brad. Let's go, Brad. I will start an eval once we another eval once we push outside of narrow range. Yeah, give me just a little bit, but I'm chilling, guys. Plus 500 in that account. Come on, who wants to make $500 a day trading? Type a Y in the chat if that's you. Type a Y in the chat if you want to make $500 a day trading. Okay, you're in the huge block on the 15 minute. Did you guys know that you can split trading view into as many different windows as you want? Just like Ninja Trader. Did you guys know that? We got it all. We got this thing all split up over here. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Beautiful. Now, notice, here's something to notice. Your 10 range did not give a signal. You had to rely on time-based charts and analogies. And analysis. Speaking of analysis, I'm going to go touch grass. Post a picture of your wins over in the Discord, folks. Let's see it. High and tight. High and tight, but we're at upper Keltner. Careful, careful. All right. Is this the top or not? There was another long. Look at that. The 2-minute long was perfect. Oh my God, I missed it. Yeah, I don't know if I could have taken it though. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Now, what I did yesterday, and I want to share this with you because I think it'll really help all of you, is I took inventory of where I've really been taking a misstep. Okay. Right here is where I take a misstep. Right here, literally right here. I see the resistance. I don't fight the resistance. It can prove that it's past the resistance first. Okay. Yes, we held all this noise in the 2-minute. Yes, we held all this noise in the
Pink bar,
5-minute. But
10
what
range
happened?
chart.
We just ran into noise on the 5 from the previous rally, right? Right here, if you guys can see my cursor, right below where I'm my profit there, right here. Okay. Noise, signal, noise, signal, right? The 15 minutes in no man's land here. I am not allowed to take this trade. Not my money. At upper Keltner on the 2. Not my money, I'm gonna take from you. Look at it hitting the prior crime scene on the deuce. Oh. Oh. Joey. Open crime scene. Shkaboink. 65, 75. Uh-oh. Boink. That's major. So the major over-under is this yellow. The delta is high and tight. Ooh, 66 is the target. They might take this one without me. This is not my money. I am not looking for a trade up here. If you're waiting for me to say something about a trade, folks, no. And let me show you why I cannot. Look, as much as I'd love to say this is high and tight, and I'm gonna blah 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 blah. Look, touch of upper Keltner, touch of upper Keltner, touch of upper Keltner. If you're trailing long from way lower, I get it. I get it. That's not this case. Also, we just touched a naked CS on the 2 minute, which is that yellow line there, meaning it had not been violated previous to that touch right above. So no longs for me up here. Not for Rev. NFR. All right, Alan, welcome. The way so they're trading along with their process, right? And also make sure that you have the highest quality playback. That 2 minute is holding, but man, it would be easy to sweep 56, wouldn't it? Easy to sweep 56. And Alan B, welcome. There's several people that have me on a TV, right? So they could just look up and see, 45 inch, and they could see my charts. Because you can go into high def. I think we allow 1080, right? If I'm not mistaken. And welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. You need to lay the land, let me know. Um, 1 hour in. This is where, yeah, be careful. Watch out. Like I said, it'd be very easy to sweep 56. And what did they just do? They just printed 56. Well. How did we know? Let me tell you how I knew, everybody. Because old Rev is long at 63 with a stop at 57 or whatever that number was. Smoke. This is not my money. This is not my money. And if you have any questions on any of the charts, everybody, let me know. Let me know. More information, sageft.com/game plan. Lock it in. It's free. It's free. sageft.com/game plan. It's free. Okay, on the 2 minute. Okay, now you can even replay this video. Go back 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Go back about 12, 14 minutes ago and listen to what I said about the yellow line on the 2 minute chart. Elijah, does that put that at new equity highs? I think it does, doesn't it? Wait, what did I make yesterday? Close.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Ooh, pink bar, 1 minute chart. Pink bar, 10 range chart. Well, a long time ago, it already hit first target. So I'm skeptical of all of this nonsense. I made my money on the way up. Did anyone type in yes? Did anyone type in yes that they would like to make $500 a day day trading? Did anyone type in yes? Or are your freaking fingers broken? Oh, look at it go. Look at it. Look, look, look. 58 quarts. Look at that. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Good, good, good. What's the next, Elijah? What is the next set of parameters? Is it the same as the last one, 2000? And what do we have to get to withdraw? Okay, look at the 2 minute spread holding. $360 bid at 57.75. 400 bid at 57.75. They're going to have to take that to him, or they're going to make him chase. One or the other, folks. Here it comes. Do they give it to him? No moss. If I trade, it will be in an eval. It will be in a 50K Apex eval. 50K Apex eval. Use code SAGEFT at checkout. I do believe Apex is going to take over. Okay, they didn't listen. They didn't give 57.75 a chance. And here's why I say this, folks. Look, either you look. It tells you right on the dashboard whether you're eligible for the payout or not. Did you break any rules or not? There's no questioning whether you're approved. Most of you don't break the rules. The only one they can get you for is if you oversize and you make massive profits. They take it back. Ask me how I know. Ask me how I know, because they took $902.40 of mine on a badass trade where I accidentally went way too heavy. Yeah, it was fun though. It was fun. I went 12 contracts in a PA in a 100,000 PA. I know. You're not supposed to do 12. I know, but I did. And it was fun. Yeah, they're like, yeah, we're going to take that money from you. Thank you. Now, you guys see that Apex has funded accounts now, right? You see there's a new tab in your dashboard. You see there's a new spot. Yeah, and Bill, just to be clear, though, it tells you why they did it, right? So just what we have to do is we have to remove the money from this whole thing, right? And this is just a game. Once we remove the money from this whole thing, you guys can just start capping fools, right?
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
So there was a lot of tape at 62.50. You have three buy signals at the same time. Okay, 68. You have two targets. You have a 68. Okay, you have a 67.50 target, and then on the 5 minute you have a 74.75 target. Look at this stack, guys. Stacked. 1, 2, 3 at the same time. Are you long? Are you long? I am not, just to be clear. Full disclosure. I would be very careful up here.
Yellow bar, 1 minute chart.
The 15 minute was a full-blown bicycle. Full-blown at 50 quarter. Now we are in, hold on. Let me confirm this. Let me make sure I'm saying it correctly. We are in full-blown buy mode based upon price VWAP 200 on the 2 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute chart. So now I'm only looking for upward momentum if we get it, and it continues. $58.75 had to get filled. And boy, did it get filled. Yes, it did. Oh, that was classic. Classic. Look at your 1 minute. Fitting in the long serial. Okay, 54 is your breaker. Yeah, and it tells you what rule it is that you broke. Like it clearly says scaling rule violation minus $902. Hey, whatever. Right? Hey, let's go. My 55 quart, he says I want him. I want him. Let's see if he gets paid or if he's wrong. Or if he's wrong. Look at that 60 half paid on the 1 minute. Look at that. Okay, and now the reason I was not messing with any longs above 60, 64. Okay, look at the bottom 2-minute charts. Okay, you got a yellow line at the top, okay, which was a naked crime scene. Okay, and you have mega noise from a prior all-time high at 64.50. Do you see it? 5-minute chart. Okay. Now what? Now what? Now let's let it figure out what it's going to do, okay? Oh yeah, and we have a nice little section for the new Apex rules, everybody. stageft.com/Apex. Okay, click the link there. If you're green, just plan on stepping out. All right. I'm done. My flags are telling me I can't trade anymore today because I'm at a perfect level to stop. I have made back what I lost on Monday. And that which has nothing to do with each other. But let me talk about what it does have to do with. Remember what we talked about yesterday, where it was you want to just do base hits to get back to green. Okay, my account now is back to all-time highs. Elijah, how much money have we taken out of this account? Is it 3,500 or 4,500? Or I'm sorry, it's 3,057, I think, out of this account that you're seeing right here. Pardon me if I'm wrong. But see, here's the deal, guys. I'm not sitting here boasting and talking about it, blah, 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 blah. Oh, we've taken, 10,000 out of the market in 2026. Okay. So what? So what? It's a good start, right? That's going to be my uptick and my downtick. Right? Let's go. Okay. Do 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 do. Oh, you know what? Because I'm done trading, I can listen to actual regular music. Ah. Okay, we got about 45 minutes left of the stream. Folks, they are chewing weak traders up and snapping wishbones. Bullish. Do you see them absorbing external liquidity? Type a Y in the chat. Okay. This big block between 84.75 and 12.25 is your external liquidity, right? They absorb it. Now what? Type a Y in the chat if you see it now that I've explained it. Okay. And so then where's their target? No matter how they got in, where's their target? Type it in. Okay, everybody, guys, I don't know what you don't know. Huh. Right, like, hello. I can't trade anymore. So, hello, hi, how you doing? And I want to remind everyone that if we have inflation, this is what it looks like, right? This is what it looks like. Ooh. All right, let's look at your 5. Your 5 is alive. That's just scary. It's just a scary trade. You know what I mean? You've been lying lately. Look at your next 2-minute spread. $72.13s. And that's on the 2-minute. There's no way. Yeah, hold my beer. Oh, hold my beer. Beer, beer, beer. 5 minutes live. It's tough though. Tough. We haven't come off of lower Keltner, and they could be heading towards VWAP. Okay, and the answer is up here. Yeah, the 7. I like 72. Okay, but then I really think that they're going to go for the breaker block, right? Which would be roughly that pink area up at the top there, because it shows rejection. So then they'll want it to look something like this. Oh, this will make a lot more sense. It'll look like this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay. Or a complete failure and we test external liquidity. Uno más tiempo. Abracadabra.
Blue bar, 1-minute chart.
Um, 55.75 on the 1 minute to 52.75. Abracadabra. Abracadabra. This is not my area to trade, everybody. I want to let everyone know this is not my area to trade. Ooh, 2 minute, but you don't have white in between green and red. You have complete ambiguity. You have 1 minute sell. You have 2 minute sell. You have 5 minute leg sweep long, which it brings you right into the lower edge of that 54 on your 15-minute chart, which is, ladies and gentlemen, prior breaker block. I'm gonna highlight it for you. So it's really an over under at 54. Abracadabra. That's what's going to happen to your money. Abracadabra. Oh, hell no. He's dinner and a show? VAH, everybody. Who is on the sidelines? Let me see a Y in the chat if you're on the sidelines. Good. Good. Davey. That's all we need. We don't need anyone else. Robert's on the side. Yeah, this is the no-go zone, folks. Watch 54s. 52.75 winner. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. I'm not afraid to take a stand. Everybody walk this road together. Oh, new crime scene, 10 range. Too much spaghetti, folks. Too much spaghetti. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ma, the meatloaf. The meatloaf's burning. Now, when we say that there's chop, ladies and gentlemen, we literally mean chop. Oh, yeah, but it's grinding upwards. Okay, then you need to find the bottom. Okay? Find the bottom and share it with the rest of us when you're done. Let us know. Okay? All it's doing is creating noise. And listen to me, I'm going to tell you what's happening. They're chewing up and spitting out weak accounts. Are you one of them? To take a stand. 47s if we break right here on the 2. $43.50. Or 76. Not 56. 76. 76. Leg sweep, 2 minute complete, 3 points. I'm just pointing it out. I did not take it. You would hear my orders. Big number at 50, 53. Big number at 53. All right, we'll run the stream for a little bit longer. Folks, if you're wondering, is this guy going to trade? No mas. No mas. I'm plus 512 for the day after commissions. Real money. Wait. I didn't read. Sorry, Davey, I didn't see that. Oh, Davey, buddy. Let's give it. Let's put one in the air. Let's put one in there. What's his name? Davey, what's the dog's name? Everybody, we're gonna give a cheers. We're gonna give a cheers for the RIP to the boxer, Tucker. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get him in the air. Cheers to Tucker, baby. RIP. Let's go, baby. I get it. Yeah. I can't even think about when mine are gone, buddy. I can't. So hopefully you're taking it easy today. Yeah, cheers to Tucker, buddy. I'm so sorry, man. Watch this shelf, guys. It's not only is it a price shelf. Look. You've got your spread at 71.54.25 on the 2 minute chart. We're either gonna shred higher or we're going right back into oh shit. It's way down here. Well, we have one at around 71.24, but it's violated early. So really, yeah. Yep. Look, it's coming off of that 54 quickly. Okay, there's your 2 minute 1R. 2 minute 1R. Let's take a look. That was clean right there. Look at that. Counter trend, completely counter trend. The reason I'm not interested in it is this right here. Ooh, Robert, I'm sorry, buddy. Yeah, I've got two boxers, guys. I can't. I like the thought of it just, oh, gut wrenching.
Yellow bar, 10 range.
And Davey, remember, it's okay to grieve, buddy. It is okay to grieve. Oh man, we got a yellow on. Look at that, Cyclops. Damn, that is an actual signal. 49.25 coming. or is this where it stops? All right, we'll watch this yellow play out. I'm not going to take it. It's in a precarious place. Obviously, I'm done trading for the day as well. So then we'll end the stream after this. There's no reason to keep it going here. We'll turn the stream over to the x.com. It's been a beautiful session. Beautiful session. I have no losses. $10 in the bag. I think they bring it back to the crime scene, which is not really what you want if you're short, right? Like, yeah, there it is. I saw that coming. Oh Lord, because here's why I saw that coming, right? Because old Rev would short down there, and then Joey would type in 10 range crime scene above in the Discord. Oh, right? Yeah. There's a picture of the boxer over in Discord, everybody. Beautiful dog. Beautiful, beautiful animal. All right, we said we'd watch the end of that yellow. Well, they got smoked because it was in a precarious place right above VWAP that we didn't really want to fight. We're going to see everybody over in the X stream. We'll see you over there. Click that link.